In this episode of Mathemagician, we will discuss polynomials, which are algebraic expressions that involve variables, coefficients, and exponents. Let's begin with some basic terminologies commonly used when dealing with polynomials. First off, we have what are known as power functions. A power function is a function of the form f of x equals k times x raised to the power n. Here, x is called the variable, k is the coefficient and can be any number, and n is the exponent and also can be any number. Examples are the following. Moving on, if in a power function the exponent is a non-negative integer, the power function is called a monomial. In other words, a monomial is a power function whose exponent is a non-negative integer. Remember, non-negative integers are simply the set of whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The following are examples of monomial functions. Now to the main topic of this tutorial, polynomials. A polynomial is simply a sum of several monomials, typically written in this form. Examples include the following. Given a polynomial, the constants a0, a1, a2 through an are the coefficients. The term a0 without any x expression is the constant term. The largest exponent that appear in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. The term containing the largest exponent is called the leading term, and the coefficient of the leading term is called the leading coefficient. It is standard to write the terms in a polynomial in either ascending or descending order of their exponents. This means that we can write this polynomial as this one. Take this polynomial for instance. The degree, which is the largest exponent, is 8. The leading term, that is the term with the largest exponent, is 3x to the power 8. The leading coefficient, which is the coefficient of the leading term, is 3. And the constant term, the term without an x expression, is 9. Some lower degree polynomials can be classified according to their degrees. For example, polynomials of degree 0 are constant functions. Degree 1 polynomials are linear functions. Degree 2 polynomials are quadratic functions. And degree 3 polynomials are cubic functions. Now, on to our first test problem. Which of the following are polynomials? The correct answers are B and C. While the coefficients can be any number, the exponents must be non-negative integers. For our second problem, identify the degree, leading term, leading coefficient, and constant term of this polynomial. The degree is 5. The leading term is minus 4x to the power 5. The leading coefficient is minus 4, and the constant term is 3. And lastly, identify the degree, leading term, leading coefficient, and constant term of this polynomial. The degree is 7. The leading term is 3x to the power 7. The leading coefficient is 3, and the constant term is 0. Please leave comments, suggestions for improvement, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.